Good afternoon, people, and we are back, man, to another episode here in Namara, Yasawa, Yasawa, and we're gonna go out and do some trolling. This is the first time I'm actually gonna use a rod like this that my chow here has in front of him or with him. Normally I use the Fijian way, you know. But yeah, we're gonna see can catch something today. It's our last day, or my last day, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna head to Lotok. So let's see, man. Hopefully we can end the day good. Started off good with the fish with eating fish, and now we can end the day good with catching some fish. Maintenance.
Yo.
Maybe. Here we got to go. Some guest, Korea. Mana may bici.
Aman rasa satu juga kena.
Ayo, asal tu nanti nunggu kayu.
Oke. Alright.
Okay, let's go, Yale.
Yang penting buat tu tenda mesin ni kalau dia lebih kuat
Fishing is a game. You win or lose. If you get a fish, you win. If you don't get a fish, you lose. Some fish to take it back to Myanmar.
Alright.
Kita udah tak ini.
Boleh. Kandriani. Pengorangan sa Tasoro sa doon nakasa Chibija kasi nandito tama nito
Don't go.
right put it to the side put it out okay hold on sit straight sorry Spanish natural right? You can Spanish
Jangan saya mau langsung potong dia memang.
Oh, mereka na udah.
Siapa sawah mau kita
Abang Banggo. But that's not with us. Shit. record.
Come on, fishing!
Rain seems to have passed now. So now we'll catch one, hopefully. Cold. Well, I think the fish won this time. Yeah. First fingers for tomorrow. Let's see her, man.
Oh, it's that.
Yeah, there.
Rekod bakal dua.
Yeah, you guys can eat it. Oh. Okay, slowly. Ito namang tanong sir. Oi. Oi. Oi.
Wat tambah goy. Puja dia. What a luck. Oh, sa kana tumay na mamban ni ulo na.
Ese kana mengusi na.
Kana mo itu na. Kana saramay sar-sare na.
Shit.
Laka.
Boy, too good. Boy.
Yang play situ siya. Ya rewa. Up. Up Josh.
Boy. Just as we are about to end this. Yeah. Good. We needed that for the video. Alright, time to go home, man. Boy. Good size.
Thank you.
Yes! Thank you,
We did it.
Boy.
We did it.
Got one, man. Shit, I'm so happy. People, now we are back. We have showered, and now it's time for tea to get warm, man. It was cold out there, to be honest. See? But, man, we were losing hope, and then the last second, boom. I thought it was meant to be honest. And those Cavalines, the Frenchmen, it was good because they caught it. They didn't expect it, and they just asked to tag along with us, and we said sure. But I think the daughter was regretting it when it began to rain heavily. She was like, oh no. But the father told her, just hang in there, we'll be home soon.